Hello students, once again I am here to teach you computer. So let's start with our computer. Let's take out your books and page number 32. Page number 32. Yesterday in the last video we have finished with setting of tabs till page number 31. So let's start from page number 32. Let me rotate this. Now, in MS Word, tab stops may be sent in two ways. Now, it can be done in two ways. What are those two ways? It is given here. Let's start with the two ways. The first one is by clicking on horizontal ruler bar. This is the horizontal ruler bar. You can see it when you will open the MS Word. By using this tab stop dialog box. So when you will use this, it will be stop doing the dialog box. The steps to set the tab using the horizontal ruler bar are as follows. There are only two steps. Now let's see. Click the tab selector at the left end of the ruler until it displays the type of tab you want. Now what you have to do is click on the selector at the left end of the ruler until it displays the type of the tab you want. Till when you have to select that tab? Till when it gives you a type of it displays what you want. Click the ruler at the position where you want the tabs to stop. Now where you want to stop, till there you have to click it. Suppose you have started from here, you want to get till here, then you can start from here and you can click here to stop it. So it was tab, how to do it, how to stop the tab. Then the next one, the tab stop dialog box can also be used to set a tab stop. To get this dialog box, double click the tab stop on the ruler. Now when you want to get this, you will double click on the tab stop on the ruler. So this was a small thing. This is only a practical part. So long. Let's move on to the next topic, that is indentation. Indent refers to the distance between the text and the boundaries and page margin. Now indent is what? It refers to the distance between the text and the boundaries of the page and the page margin. Please underline this from here till here. Indent is used either to set a paragraph apart or to make it easier to read. Indentation is used why? If a question arises why indentation is used, then you will write it is used to set a paragraph apart or to make it easy to read. There are broadly three types of indent. Now how many types of indents are there? Broadly there are of three types, that is the positive, the negative and the hanging indent. Now the positive one. With positive indent, the text area is always narrower than the space between the margin. That is, the text is little inward from the margin. What is this? When the positive indent, the text area is always narrower than the space between the margin. The space is very less. The negative one. The negative indent allows the text to extend to the margin, into the margin. Now positive is it becomes narrower, negative is means it will extend to the margin which you want, that the text is little outward from the margin. Now hanging indent. The hanging indent refers to the further indentation of a part of paragraph or section. That is, the text with the hanging indent is little inward from the first line of the text. Here the text will be inward from the hanging indent will be inward from the first line of the text. Hanging indent are frequently used for bibliographic entries, glossary term and resumes bulleted and number list. So these are only hanging in indents are used where? Bibliographic entries, glossary terms, resumes, bulleted and number list. So these are the few examples where we can use hanging indents. Now the steps of indents are: highlight the paragraph you want to indent. First of all, what you have to do is highlight it. Then open the paragraph dialog box by clicking the button to the right of the paragraph group. Select the indent and spacing tab. In the indentation area, type in a value to the left and right indent, example 2 cm, and click OK. So these are the 5 steps how we can use indent. You can see here in page number 33, figure 3.15. Here when we have opened the paragraph, in the paragraph you can see indents and spacing. Then general alignment is given. It will show you left, right or hanging. Then outline is also given. You can select it. Then indentation left or right, how much you want to select. Here in the steps it is taken example 2 cm. So here you can set that. And then spacing is also given. If you want to give the spacing, you can give the spacing as the points required. And the preview you can see here. If everything it is okay, then you can click on OK and it will be done for you. Another way to indent is to use the triangle markers on the ruler. Use your mouse to drag and drop to a new position on the ruler. Now another way is what? Triangle markers. How you can use that? Use your mouse. With the help of mouse, you will drag and drop to a new position on the ruler. You can drag the thing from here, and then where you want to put, you can put it there with the help of the mouse. Now the next topic, paragraph formatting. The paragraph formatting features of a MS Word can be used to set the appearance of the text in a paragraph. Please underline this. This is one answer. Then for paragraph spacing, how to give the paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the amount of white space between paragraphs. It can be measured in lines or points. It can be measured in lines or points. What is paragraph spacing? Paragraph is a amount of space between the white space or between the paragraphs. It can be measured in lines and points. The steps to set the spacing before and after the paragraph are as follows. There are 3 steps given here. Place the cursor anywhere in the paragraph. Choose the layout tab. In the paragraph group, specify the spacing before and after paragraph. See here, figure 3.16. Indent and spacing is given. Then here in spacing, you can select how much space you want to give, how much points you want to see and give. And then you can select the thing. Now turn the page. Next page is the line spacing. The line spacing we will be doing in the next topic. Till then, please revise these 2 topics, that is indentation and paragraph formatting. Revise this and try it in your laptops or PCs. Thank you.